Hi, Thaman.
Hi, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. How are you?
Yes, sir.
I'm so happy to work with you.
Thank you so much, sir.
I want one intro song for Ram Charan, this movie. How far we can make it different and all, no? I had a long discussion with you and
exactly.
given a lot of inputs. So I was going through, doing research in what kind of music and culture is, in Andhra Pradesh called Guzadi.
Guzadi, yeah.
And this one is
Kumukoya.
Yeah, this is also from Andhra Pradesh. And Tapatagulu, everybody knows that's from Andhra Pradesh.
They were amazing, sir.
Tapatagulu.
Yeah.
Apart from that, I thought I want to give more to the audience. So I have taken the support of the other state culture, music. Ranappa from Odisha. And this is Gumra from Odisha. And Halaki from Karnataka. And Goravara from Karnataka. And Paika from Odisha. And Chav from West Bengal. No? Like
bringing all these cultures.
Yeah.
I think this is never before, I think.
Yeah. Because visually also it should look good.
Good, yeah.
And sound, it should look different and good. And then I discussed with you.
Exactly.
You came up with the idea of we will record everything.
Everything, yeah.
You recorded around 2 days for this.
Yes, we spent 2 great days getting all the cultures, starting from the tip of the top of Srikakulam until Rayalaseema.
Yeah.
We got all the folk artists, all those cultures into one song, and that was really tough.
Yeah, I know.
To get that. So in so many lines, you write all the hook lines on this. So Macha was like amazing for us. Sir.
Yeah.
And to get to that, how should I start the song? The way you explained about all the 1,000 dancers who's going to perform in the song was everything something crazy into my mind, sir.
Yeah.
I think once this song comes, I think people will dance as well as they will enjoy the whole culture of the Andhra Pradesh music, sir. Andhra Pradesh cultural music.
Yeah, it will be a celebration because Ram Charan is a very good dancer.
Yeah.
And Ganesh Acharya Master only, you know that he choreographed.
Yeah, choreographed.
And I don't know whether to reveal it now or not. One whole BGM, Ram Charan danced in a single shot. Single shot.
Yes.
That was, the music is so good, like how, it's the extraction of so many elements from so many states, putting in one BGM. And I think it will be a treat for Ram Charan fans.
It's a feast for the theatre, sir.
Yeah,
Definitely.
and I have to tell Anand Sriram, the lyric writer.
Yeah.
So beautifully written, and the content of the song is like, it's nostalgic.
But this song, sir, this Macha, will stand tall, sir.
Mainly I have to thank to Dilraju Garu to produce this big film, and he was a big support for this film and for the song to come out very nicely.
Exactly. And here is Macha song coming to you guys on the 30th of this month, and stay for more updates.